day in July. Motor City madness has touched the countryside, and through the smoke and cinders you can hear it far and wide. The doors are quickly bolted and the children locked inside. Black day in July. Black day in July. The soul of Motor City is buried across the land, as the book of law and order is taken in the hands of the sons of the fathers who were carried to this land. Black day in July. Black day in July. In the streets of Motor City there's a deadly silent sound, and the body of a dead youth lies stretched upon the ground. Upon the filthy pavement no reason can be found. Black day in July. Black day in July. Motor City madness has touched the countryside, and the people rise in anger and the streets begin to fill, and there's gunfire from the rooftops and the blood begins to spill. Black day in July. In the mansion of the governor there's nothing that is known for sure. The telephone is ringing and the pendulum is swinging, and they wonder how it happened, and they really know the reason. It wasn't just the temperature, it wasn't just the season. Black day in July. Black day in July. Motor City is burning and the flames are running wild, and they reflect upon the waters of the river and the lake. Everyone is listening and everyone's awake. Black day in July. Black day in July. Printing press is turning and the news is quickly flashed. Then you read your morning paper and you sip your cup of tea, and you wonder just in passing, is it him or is it me? Black day in July. In the office of the president, the deed is done, the troops are sent. There's really not much choice, you see. Looks to us like anarchy. And then the tanks go rolling in to patch things up as best they can. There's no time to hesitate. Speeches made, the dues can wait. Black day in July. Black day in July.